If you find yourself locked out of your LBank account, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to recover your account effectively. Step 1. Visit the LBank login page. Before starting recovery, use the asrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your LBank account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. After entering your email, click on the Submit or Next button. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from LBank in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm the new password and submit the changes. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the LBank login page and enter your email and new password. If everything is correct, you should be able to access your account without any issues. If you continue to experience problems, consider reaching out to LBank's customer support for further assistance.